Hi everyone, I'm Caleb and welcome to Gold Rush Cooking here at Columbia State Historic Park. Today we are making tamales. Tamales date back thousands of years ago in Mesoamerica, which is modern-day Mexico and parts of Guatemala. The original tamales were cooked in pots and could be stuffed with any number of meats, vegetables, fruits, or peppers. Originally, this food was a form of traveling food and would eventually become a food cooked on special occasions. In South America, there was a version of the tamale called a humita. Now, humitas was very similar, except that the meat or vegetables would be mixed into the dough, and they would be cooked over an open fire instead of a pot. Now, the recipe that I am making is very simple. It's just masa with water until you get it to the texture that you can see there in the bowl. I am using the traditional corn husk to wrap my tamale in. The corn husks were placed into warm water to help make them more pliable and less prone to ripping or breaking. I am stuffing my tamales with some pork. You can use whatever meat you like or vegetables, then you'll just roll it up in the corn husk and place it into your steaming pot. More modern recipes from Mexico include the use of oils, broths, or lard in the masa mixture. Once I made enough tamales, I placed them into my steaming basket and I steamed them for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the recipe for tamales is relatively simple, it is a very lengthy process to make multiple tamales, so it is better if you have someone helping you. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our social media links below.